I'm Rick, and welcome back to the channel. Well, there, I got some trains running. How about that? It's got two of them running.
But I thank the sky above for pouring down a holy love to save a wretch like me.
And also, I wanted to thank everybody. I made 300 subscribers. I really appreciate it. 300 is quite a milestone for a little channel like mine. And I was going to do it last week, but the subscriber thing, I don't know if it happens to you guys or not. Let me know in the comments below. But it jumps up and down like 2, 3, 4, well, not 4, but 2 and 3 subs up and down. I don't get it. Anyways, I really appreciate it all. And thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.